Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kayla Films, and you know we're here with another banger. Yes guys, I helped hold the camera 2 times, but I'm not in this movie. Stay tuned for me in the other show. Guys, the movie and name Secret Love, and you know say bad for you here report it title. No, not trust. So just like, comment, share, subscribe, and share it again. And guys, don't watch out the ads then please, and thank you. Have a lovely day, good evening, and good night. Goodbye people.
Let me start again because me I wonder if me go in the twilight zone and me be turn the daughter and you turn the mother, so me I come back out again.
And the same thing you go here. As daylight.
Girl, no perplex my brain, you know. You see like how me no light up yet? No make me light up on you.
As daylight.
And me want to know who
what
I
you doing with? Do you know this light? And even say thank you God for wake me up this morning. You pray for you get up out of your bed?
Pick me. Me shut your box first thing in the morning, you know. Because me give birth to you and you not give birth to me. Me not answerable to you. So know yourself. Me and you no know size. Me come out and wait for me. See me go back in and come back out. You should have known say my head hot. Nobody stop on me back this morning, you know. Come me will crack you one. Oh. Where you depend now?
Me there. Somebody black them, as you can see. Yeah, and they on my phone. Anyways, me think it's time for me find one man now. Yes, because I can't get up and talk to you every day. Me tell you that now. More one man.
Wow. Okay. Well, me not wrong you still because you're 18. You must have feelings. But let me tell you something. And you say you bring your man, you know.
You know.
You forgot to him. Next thing. Hold on. For this subject to come up, you have somebody in mind?
Not yet.
Okay. Well, let me give you a little short advice. You see certain ways you have my daughter, you have to go dash them way. You see the nastiness you're upon can't work when you have a man. Yeah? And the first thing man I gonna want you to do is wash, cook and clean. Right? You can't do neither of the three. May I try teach you and you give me attitude and I walk out of the kitchen. You see when you do something simple like even franks and beans, you boil it first, man, and then you fry it.
No, come to me about my franks, you know, mommy.
No, man, because we did eat the franks for you the other day because we never want to hurt your feelings. Oh, God, I couldn't come off of the toilet seat. Running belly, take me, sir, tell me things, so me going to shit up my tribe. Me just tell you because, you see, when man I go tell you now, then now I go tell you so easy.
You know, so there's something I disgrace.
That's why me I save you from.
I'm afraid of you run your belly. I don't know curry.
No, man. I'm not just curry alone run your belly, you know. You see, because it's chicken and it fowl. And you see, if you not defrost it right or you not cook it right, you have something in it named Sambalena. And you can get Sambalena poison. And lucky me name poison. But boy, my belly run clear a ton and come back. True, me never want to hurt your feelings. So you have to go breeze up on them the things. And you see washing now, you have to go wash good. And every man have washing machine.
No, I'm tell me I go do. I say me find him man. Me make a cook and make your food go give. You see when he close them for wash me, I tell him go laundry. Me pay if you wash them. I me just make you wash them and pay you.
My girl.
And when you come and take cleaning, me just get one excuse, make him go somewhere, and car make a come clean up yours and make it look spotless.
Okay.
Feel like a me clean.
Oh, so when me cook, you feel say I gonna like my cooking?
Yeah, more like a cooking.
Okay.
I can cook, but me can't cook. So me pay if you cook, wash and clean.
Okay.
Yeah, I pay if you wash, cook and clean.
I say you love single life.
I'm making things. No, me not.
No, I say you born for single life, you know.
Yeah,
Cause if you think say me I go sit there and wait for for your man. I mean, hey my girl, you're a real comedian, you know. That's why me have to love you. But me I tell you something. If you don't want a man break your heart and give you a bun too quick, you have to go breeze up on that.
Every man give bun.
No man.
Yes.
No, not every man. You see when you
Jamaican
hold the man
man
right. You see when you do the things right. And you're a big woman now, we can't talk. You see when you do the things right, and you have your man, and that dirty girl wants to style you, you just, you know, see me a big woman and me still dress sexy. You just walk and show him what I miss. And you see if something, you see if that fail you, all you do, go in front of him and style it properly and drop something. And you see when you bend down to pick it up, you just get up slow. You have to know how to clamp man. And you have to know how to make man want come back to you. And you have to cook clean and wash.
Let me not run down normal if I buy one.
No, you don't run down, man. Man run you down. You are my black beautiful daughter.
Exactly. That's why if my give bun, I'm find nothing.
Exactly. Because you are sure the man what you willing for taking now.
Yes.
So if you give your bun and you take him back, that means you're giving permission.
No, I'm not taking back.
Exactly.
Yes.
But with just certain things that you call your man. Alright.
Yes.
We're glad you wait till now.
Yeah,
you see you brush them the things up, you're good for goal.
Yeah, man.
And like how me like this, I'm never bring out the ashtray. If you don't want to react again, do me a favor, go get the ashtray for me, please and thanks.
I'm if it tap bun weed, you know. If it's tap bun weed. But me get the hair straight for you, cause right now, my throat dry.
I remember say your mother you talk to your future man. Cockafat.
Me, I wanna tell you there.
You there go and scroll through phone a while ago.
Me I say me feel like it's time for me go look at her cause nothing on to go on my house cause see you know there's something in my house so done. I just 3 tin mackerel left and 4 pound of rice. So I feel like me have to go up on the road and now go look at work.
Oh man. I say me man a yard, but I'm go look at work, man, you know.
So you go look at work?
I mean, me man a yard, you know.
And so I feel love you, you know. And so I feel love and cherish you because I like the way how you tan with me, you take care of me and me not feel afraid boy you a cheat. Come you will never cheat for me.
Man, me depend on them sitting there. Think you take boy to cheat. Me depend on them sitting there, man. And you alone me I work with.
Make sure you know.
Yeah.
Cause some of them a man you say they not cheat, you know. And then look in there and I swear honey I'm not cheating and yet see they out there them are cheating, you know. Oh.
We don't have to swear because you don't know so me not cheat already.
Yes, me not no reason for that.
I'm not do for anything, so I better go look at work. Come in, get a look up, go shopping. You stand here, they wash, cook and clean and you style, you know?
Yes, that me
Housewife style, you know?
You're right.
Right.
That's why I feel love you, you know. Cause if I did enough man, I tell you woman if you go look work.
No lie.
So you will look at work.
You go look at work, man, for now, man, you know? Till one day ready to go but in and go look at one work and you know so we can make the thing go on slow, you know? Because one can't clap, you know?
That's true.
Yeah.
But anyways, me I'll go on the road. I'll go take a walk. Then I was hot.
You can take a walk, man. But not too bad. Come on.
Alright.
You know, so it's not too hot. But you go on down.
Go on down?
But you go on and cool off in the bed. Go and go look at work, yeah? No, start looking at work on today. Yeah, today.
So me can't come with you like
no, man.
Today?
If me to go on your house right now, you know, and bring you with me, you know. People can think I'm joking with the fan. You know, I'm showing something serious I want. You just go on down, cool off. Right now, it's not hot right now. So red. You just go on and cool off, yeah?
Yeah, alright. Alright, be careful.
Yes, man. Always, man. One no Empress.
Me good.
We are there with an idea.
Today I look and give thanks.
Yeah, man, I have to give thanks. My son hot a bad man.
Mm-hmm.
So I say, nice sex woman like you can cool up on the river now, man. Because I cool up, man, and put on a nice bikini, you know.
With me?
I mean, think about it round and nice, man. I love so.
You know what? It was better you come and beg me money, you know.
Me by come and beg your money.
Cause a young man like you now got come chat me up.
Chirp you up, what you mean by? But not, remember, not the age again, you know. But not the age again, man. So you just a number, you know.
But me a big woman to you.
But no say. You could have be a big woman, so more. You can teach for me, no know. And you can teach some new things too.
Eh?
Yeah. So each one teach one, you know.
Okay, like us, sir.
What you mean? You teach what you know already. Cause I must be a big one, you know. Although me young, me can teach a young boy with them same way. You can feel young again.
And who tell you something I feel young already?
What, you have a man in your life?
No.
That me tell a man, you can be a man in your life, you know. You can feel young. You think about that.
But me a big woman, look, me all have grey hair and everything.
For yourself,
yeah.
man. Me can't transform it into back in a black man. Yeah, man.
One thing though, you have a sweet mouth.
Man, you're sweet on that, man.
Eh?
I'm going to out of my yard, tell me, say, John, I'm just left out of my yard now, cool. Me look, and you miss it. So, could you make a pass? You have to try something, man, bring it back down on the block or bring it up on the river somewhere. But chill out. Get me one and more, you know.
So you don't have a woman, a sweet talker like you?
Don't have a child. If you have a chick or a child, I'm going to just talk to you right now. Yeah.
What, you faithful, you say you be?
You mean, I'm like a woman. I'm come and walk up.
Ancestors, them work in a mysterious way for true. But you're sure you can manage me? Because your back off is strong, you know. And me will broke your back, you know.
You need a small axe cut down big tree and start one tear up sheet.
But hold on, you're not telling me some big door.
No.
Oh, yes, small lots and big trees. So.
No, it's a phrase, you know.
Okay, me know that still, but just a check, huh? We're just checking your eyesight. So me would have passed, even though me a big woman can still pass.
100%.
Sure.
100 always a call me.
Mine are your woman, you know.
I don't have a chick nor a child. Hello. Yeah. Me don't find the road there, man. Alright. Yeah. Oh. My boss, I'm go up on a work for you, you know.
Oh, me did a one day for your wife.
No, so I boss that man.
Okay.
So, what you say? I have to think back up for me. You know, man, that's how we can get contact, you know.
Alright. So what's your name?
They call me Jawbone.
Okay.
They can call me your sugar bone, you know. Yes, man.
Well, I'm Shaz. Or
Shaz.
Charmaine.
Alright, don't worry yourself. I'm gonna give you a call, surely, you know.
Alright, you put up a smile on my face, man. I like that.
Put more smile on your face, man. Don't worry yourself, man. I have a number, so me give you a call.
Alright, we'll see.
That's what I want to say.
Alright, bless. Girl, you still have it. Hey, Shawty, come out here a minute, please. Still have it. Young boy want my number. Hey, Shawty, oi.
Yes, mommy.
Come now.
May I come?
Yes,
You know
girl.
why you are my good so?
You see when you have it, my granny tell me for a long time, say if you have it, flaunt it and don't hide your gift under a bushel. Guess what happened?
What happened?
Guess what happened to your sexy mother?
So why you wind up yourself and not once?
Come and feel good. It feel good, me not lie.
What make you feel good? Tell me what happened.
Me catch a little man. How
Hold on. Where the man there?
you meet him in due time, everything in its time, my girl.
You meet
You're
man.
not ready to meet him yet.
You meet man.
Yes.
Tell me. Enough for your old age. What you with man?
Me all, but me not cool. I just jealous. You jealous cause you 18 and one man can't get man yet. But hush, it soon happen to you. You soon can be like your
Mother.
yummy mommy here.
When me did tell us me want man, when they mean say you fi go to go find man. When me I do it man and you do it man.
Oh gosh, when you got it, you just got it. And girl, your mother have it.
Oh, what this woman do, Father God? Oh, what this woman do?
Young man too.
Young man?
Yes.
Tell me, you really got to go take up young boy?
Well, what you say? Age is just a number, you know. I saw him say it, you know.
Mommy, you sure him? You sure say him and want to know your money? You sure know your money catch your boy, yeah?
Me know I understand, say. Through me get out, me not look nobody and me come home and tell you say me have somebody now. And you are looking, oh. And you still not find nobody. But one day you will grow up and you'll be as good as me. Hush.
I can't believe you really got to go find your man.
I mean, never did I look
man. You go find man. I want to have a young boy at that. We are doing young boy. You can't manage young boy. Enough for your
I feel him for manage me. And what you see when me check him out, girl? Him back strong. In kind of short, slicks. Yeah, in kind of short still, but you know, say right size for your mother. Don't worry, you soon catch up, baby girl.
Oh God. If you're not busy, come here. May I beg you. Mother. Me? Boy. How much I be? You're 40 odd. What the hell you have with young boy?
When you reach 40, you will find out.
When me a 40, I don't want no young boy. I want married and settle down and have me pitney them.
Nothing wrong with that.
Me pitney it big woman to sit down and mind me when me in my old age.
Me glad you know.
That's why I never go down. We're going to take up no young boy.
Oh.
But you take up one big sensible man. We have sense like you. I mean, to right now, how you talking?
Me no want no man who are gonna dead too quick.
Oh, but you want them if you come and don't know the look of money what we have. And when food fi buy, food can't buy because you stack up young boy with money. And young boy stack up their house with food. And that if you have a woman too. And that looks, that if you have a woman and that look you fi money woman.
And
you
that's
can't take
you
up
do.
young boy.
And that's your man do you. That's what me tell you, sir. You have to learn how to cook and clean and certain things. And
Me not
certain
learn
things
how
hold
to
your
cook
man.
and me not have.
If that's your man, them I do you the whole time. No one day you always under my foot.
Mommy, me not feel learn how to cook and clean when me have you. Remember, say me tell you, me pay for cook, clean and wash your man.
With what? You have to go look a job too.
No, me not feel look no job.
So you gonna pay me?
Me have your money, me can't.
No, it no works for my girl.
I see my work. Remember,
You
say me I
reach
go get you when
18
you
now.
pass.
So like
Let
how
me tell you something again. You see, before you pass off, you write the will. You see, before you take up a man in your life, you write the will. That means yes, when you write the will, you can't write it back over because you not forget no. Me not fear split not when not happen, you know.
you don't even meet him yet. That's if me even say if I meet him.
What?
You know what? You know, cramp my mood, you know. Me glad me meet him. Somebody with a different vibes.
Right,
And you go vex to, you know. Cause me meet him and he was a fellow smoker like me. So you just have to go deal with the double smoking. So just take yourself and go on him. Okay, you can't cramp my mood. You see when you look as good as me and you're fat and round like me, You can stand a chance.
Then
But
you know,
you
see
have
me
a
ass
chance.
big, see they big.
Yeah, but baby love, if
You
you can't
say
cook
sexy.
it just big for nothing. Man want the whole package. That's why young boy realized that now I want big woman.
You know, yeah, your young boy can't go. Me I go come go back in there.
Alright, best thing.
Me I try cook this sausage them.
Okay, remember boil it first.
Yeah, me I follow you and boil it and then me fry it. Yes.
And use the seasoning.
Yeah, that means I not run a belly this time.
No, cause me no want it. Me no want time in Westmoreland and it run go town.
Alright.
Alright. Yeah, learn. Hey.
Me
What do you know, Bios?
there, how you take so long?
Wait a minute, I had for the a whole
No, me just take a cool breeze over yard. Hot man must have not no fan, so me just sit out there start going take a cool breeze.
Oh.
So what going for you?
Is that work? Well, I think me get that work.
I like that.
Sure.
You think you get
I'm not
it?
sure.
You just,
Exactly.
how you feel not sure, be?
Yeah, coming by now. When I go for look at work, you know, this work same time.
Yeah.
I'll give a call or, you know, or for in, you know.
Understand? So like, at what time to what time you go to work? I'm have to know if you get up and make breakfast, you know.
Well, time in now, 6 in the morning to 7 at night.
Man,
Yeah.
no man, a long time you go there work. I only 9 time I go see you. Because I wake up so early in the morning.
Well, there's no word, man. I know sometimes I have to do overtime, you know. Some don't know
Man.
how to work out, so you know, if I just try to work out, you know. So even if I come in 7 o'clock, expect me all, you know, 10:30, 11 o'clock. Extra money, you know, overtime, you know.
I understand. Me, I'll take a cool breeze. I can't go on over yard there.
Alright, yeah.
Look at mackerel, look at mackerel and rice. I can't go over yard there.
Yeah, man, I'm starving, you know.
Thank God say I get to work, but Jesus, it's time they're mad.
Yeah, wire in that place, you know, them a treat, yo.
But them up and mash up in the way. Wire, man. Can't believe my youth. I'm there in my pocket work. I'm going to buy some brand new wire to you know. God, I'm impressed.
Hello, B.
Go on now, baby, me there, man, run for you, you know. Where you go on?
For real, me there. I'm not thinking about you too, you know.
Yeah, so we can link up in idea, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Long we see you, you know, for a time I want to see you again, you know.
Oh, God, me want more of the same.
Bring up on the beach and so on style this time, you know, because everybody nice and cool. Beach time now.
Yeah, man.
We go to a nice sun, you know.
Yeah, man. Me want go like the tourists them and cock up my foot on beach chair too.
True. No, alright.
So when you come for me,
Something for me, too.
meet me the same place we did meet, our spot.
Same spot. Alright, no problem. Alright, that's a 40 then.
Aye.
Yeah. Boss, yes, bossy.
Boss, we
So
are
go take your
talk.
boss, man. Know where yourself, boss.
Huh?
Yeah, man. Same spot.
We are
Don't move, because remember, I come here, bossy.
alright.
Boss.
Little more.
Oh, yeah, how that?
You to come and tell me, say, boss. You must know, say, boss. Tell us when I work. I go up on the interview and all. What happened?
I told me see you run and so by yourself and talk on the phone.
No, why am I there deal with? Because me I wonder if I make you fan mash up on there sitting there.
Me don't
So
know,
me there try
maybe.
deal with it. I'm gonna call my boss. No, boss if you go and check
So
him
do
now.
you go work?
Me I go up on the interview so me can get the work. Come for the interview, you know. So me go up on the interview and go and check you out, right?
Alright.
Alright.
Me not like it that talk on the phone, stushy, you know.
You have to shish. Remember, you know, remember say when you need that work, you have to talk like you really need it, you know. Like I beg you, like I baby. I want to tell you, man. I want to tell you, man. You want to do the job, you know.
Alright.
Alright.
Oh, that phone.
Oh. So, you always tell me, say, forget a man, I laugh after me. No, me have my man. Me have something to show you, say. And when you meet him, you know, you want it to be nice. Me no want none of your rightness.
As
Yeah?
long as you not ugly, me alright.
Well, remember, see, you look in the mirror. So come.
Me nice.
What happened, B?
Well, no, baby.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Good to see you.
Oh, God. No, this is funny.
What are you
How would this?
about?
How would that?
Jawbone, this is my daughter who's about to get some manners. This is my hobby to be.
Yeah.
This serious.
How old are you?
Mommy.
So for medication.
Wait. Hold on. Come here. Come here, me ask you a question. Come here.
So can be.
I really that dirty football they go take up. No, me think I'm just a young boy. Me think I want nice. You know that nice, so handsome young boy there. We have care and I really walk foot man I go take up. No, look at him good. What time? Where you sit on him? Where you sit on him?
That's why you young people always fall in love and I get hurt. And I just look on the outside, eh? And then a business who the man is. And I just want to say they can buy hair, can buy nails and fast care.
Mommy, if you look on the man, you know, say somebody might look for my him. If you look on him, they might look like my type. Me not say me want him, I come and want him. Cause by this thing, me, as much as me want man, he wouldn't be the last man for earth mother take up in my life. But Jesus Christ, man. If any man good all upon you, you could even say me can take up a nice, sensible man. This man of him come like he never have sense. Not even sense.
Me tell you already, say, anything negative you see is a mirror you're looking at. So no say you talk about yourself. So no, since you have such high standards, Miss can't find man. Since you have such high standards, where you're a man there, try no say, chat all this for look my man,
Listen. You see, if I do my man, I gotta make me take up in a life. I prefer not have none. That's the reason why I not have no man already. Cause he said maybe if me did take up one man, I would have him, would have take up. I may not have none, so me glad.
No, you wouldn't take up him. You would have take up Ken. You a Barbie, so you look for Ken. That's why you can't find him yet. Cause you still a look. Him still a make yet.
You know what? You can't go and go talk to him. You piece of man. Go on, I'm not gonna talk to him.
You sure? Me have your permission, mommy?
Yeah.
You sure? You not gonna beat me?
Mommy, go and go talk to the man.
Sorry about that, B.
So what kind of reason about that? I was supposed to what is it?
No, man, just like a girl's talk, She tell me about her monthlies and things, so you don't want to hear about that.
I'm my part of that.
Exactly, girl talk.
That's a real girl talk. But different still more bring on this guy, Or she could have bring on this guy, Or Disney World, whatever you want name.
Hello, me not look up Pitney. Me not got Disneyland. But if I day I want to come with my dad, that's okay. But me not look up Pitney.
Look out in the visa and some style and stay some bam. Plain.
So you can look about all our visa then?
What do you mean? I simple to the boy to visa. I have visa already,
Oh!
I have about 4 years now, I have my visa.
So you travel already?
Oh God. Right around the world.
Okay, so you travel. Nice, nice.
Rich, Rich fit so.
Okay.
Not seriously boy I walk, man. Boy buy a bus already, I just rent that. I will rent out,
Yeah, if you have multiple streams of income coming in.
They don't say 2 days time must come back in, so you know where you go. Bring up on a tour around the place,
So when you do the Disneyland trip, when you gonna get with visa?
Just doing the paperwork, what? Yeah, everything up the good, some pictures, some style. Bring a guy place, visa.
Okay.
Next day. I told him I carry my daughter. I'm stepdaughter now, Yeah, I'm stepdaughter.
That's why you have manners.
No, man, no stepdaughter.
And then take out the step and just
yes.
daddy then.
Which daddy? Me daddy they are heaven. Me not have nothing. Right. Me not have neither step nor father. Me walk past step and my father dead in their heaven.
Oh God.
I just a man.
Okay.
Me call by name.
Well, nothing wrong with that. I mean,
Any
I
name.
mix tea, or you me a mix. Yeah.
That's right.
So when I say, let's link back a couple days from now. For the place and set the apartment, you know.
Alright then.
Yeah. Just
Alright.
go on, but don't start pressing on easy and that shit, you know.
Alright. We just have to walk up the road and go the little things.
But you have a teacher man as do, you know.
Yes.
Because
Don't
if
worry.
you think like this, you will not have no man. Anything if you get in the future, you won't get it.
I'm not gonna get it from
Me
you.
nah make she
So make you stop your food.
And one thing I gonna get from you.
Alright. Pick up on yourself, man.
Alright. Little more.
Yeah,
Come.
there.
Yes.
Come you.
You got me on.
You even know. So wait, man, don't get a ticket to your pocket. Wait. B. Oh, where say go on right now? Me for lunch break, you know.
Lunch break it up.
Yeah.
So how you work? You like it work?
Oh, God, me like you work, man. Work how go on, man. You go on, you know. But right now, kind of day on toasty, you know, and bust a little piece and then bush out as well. You know, you say go on.
Yeah, tell me language, man. So how long you dey follow? So I say what me have to go walk and I might take a while. So how long you dey follow stuff?
Oh, a nice 50 minutes with the fan, man, you know. They can come quick and fast, man. They're close to your shop, you know.
Which part?
The shop down on the road, man. The last shop in the lane, man.
Oh,
yeah. Him, she, see him, man. Down somewhere there.
Alright, no worry yourself.
Alright, let's check in.
Yeah, me dey find my way they come.
Alright.
Come here, go talk to him for come stay with him. So, when you see him, have manners.
If you come do what?
I want him to come down little.
If you come stay with me.
You think I just your company wants to have manners, man?
No, you can't.
You block traffic.
Me not block no traffic, but you can't stay there.
Alright.
Make him stay in yard.
Shush. What, baby, if you get something, you know.
If you get.
So, well, I kind of miss you too.
I miss you more.
B, may I feel sorry if I come check when we live, you know?
Nothing wrong with that, man. It's supposed to know where you live for sure.
Aye. And you can put your slippers down and come, you know, make your mark and thing and call it home and come stay permanently, you know?
No, it's permanent part. No, I'm going to work. Right now, I got to work in the night. Night shift, me do. And come back and work for 7, 9 night. And work again. I'm still do double shift. I'm telling you, double same way, man. I'm more like, you know, I'm in Boston.
No, man, but alright, me understand you're working, but nothing wrong if you can move in same way.
Oh,
you can move in, you know, and then
work with me do that live-in work too. All time I get like little freedom, I get little break. Lunch break and little style day.
so hold on, you're not getting a day off?
I'm gonna get a day, but I can't talk to your boss and see I can beg him 1 day off if you're still.
No, man, a backroom business that. You not go back to slavery system, man.
No, man,
if you get your time off, because they must know see you have a little family that wants to see you, and you know.
No, when I'm just get to work, don't tell me I know family say no, you go already. But family can come in and play in the future, you never know.
Aye.
But the living part now, they can't promise it at the party. If I don't tell you go already. But we can go by here and that's where you live still.
Alright, so come check where we live.
Yeah.
And then when you see the place and thing, you go feel comfortable, man.
No, I'm comfortable anyway, you know. Anyway, man, but me as I tell you, say, you live in part now, I'm not sure the part you will go.
Well, you're not going to know till you know. Come.
Come in, girl.
Alright.
Come in, bro.
Come.
No man, something alright. Just when I say 10% something away pan because see all the shop done this stuff. So clear say I feel so. Why am I ramping my head now? I'll play game, wait till you come. I'm a play game plan. Job one. Job one. Job one. Man, you really a ramp with me, man. My ramp with me. Job one. Job one. No, man. My play games. Wait till they reach up. you reach?
So B, this is my little humble place. Small, but it comfortable.
Why do you say I come get comfortable now? You think a concrete house you talk about?
You know, so me have that lock already.
You have a lock?
Yeah, man, me have my place to build.
You can't buy with the boardhouse business, a concrete more see.
No, man, but me say, let me bring you here, because this is where me catch your head, you know. You have the place to build.
Oh, you done build
You're
yet?
not finished yet.
Oh, I know, say. Can't talk about the boardhouse business, you know.
No, man, it's a go on, it's a go on.
When time storm forward in a place again, a hurricane, zinc fly off, boat gone to west, east, or south and them place there.
No, man, this is a God bless house. God bless this house. Burial come, nothing. Just get little water down.
Me I'll buy all weak and curve and everything. I go back in a big old concrete house.
Yeah, man, you can still kick back, you know.
No,
How is
sir.
smoke, you say, you know?
No, man, I can't take my life is smoking, man. You see,
No.
I go a big 2-1 style.
Alright, well, if you want to see the concrete house, we can take it down there, you know.
Carry
Show
where?
you.
Yeah, man, I have to rest my foot, man. I can't
Where?
so good on the man.
Which concrete house? Listen to me now, ma'am. Listen to me. You know, see how much sense. There's a good dirty footboy come talk about say him think a big concrete house. Him a call up to see. Which part he live? Which part
Little
he
girl.
live? No, hold on, wait. Hold on. Let me
Me
talk.
already remind you to watch your manners with me. Since you want me to shame you in front of your future stepfather, no do it. Know how you chat to me. I know how you deal with me. Notice you deal with me certain way, you know. Yeah, you want me to make you make a man. Right? You may make you man, you know. May I make you man.
What I do?
Empress.
Him a can't talk
my
about
father?
concrete house. He can't
My
build
father.
concrete house.
My husband gone and he passed away. Her father gone.
I'm sweating to one coat and that you know, my man in place, you know.
I feel pa.
I'm going to
You want more? Tell if you have manners. I'll keep by your mouth.
Mommy, look here. Let me tell you something.
No, man.
Me not believe if you can go share me concrete house. Me not believe it.
Empress, like, we whisper too much in.
Imagine.
Come here, go no visa,
You
big
can't
and foreign
come
and now
here
whisper.
boardhouse with show
Empress,
me.
but I whisper thing, man.
Just a second, E.
You can't come here boardhouse to show me where you live and my contact about big concrete house serious. If you put up foot and smoke with an AC. You can't buy AC. You can't afford AC and your contact but you can go show him big concrete house. When you can go show him it now, you see? And you done the house and you can different people go pick like and chop it then you change it like how you going there?
You think me an idiot? Eh? This is my future husband, maybe.
Lord God
Hey,
Almighty.
before anything go this so, he must sign prenup,
Mommy,
right? But he's my future husband, so everything have to come in open. Him show me what him have.
which
Me I go then that's between me and him.
he show you which part they live?
That's between me and him.
He no show you.
And me I show him what I have.
Why you full of sense?
But me I have the prenup.
Me say, no show him your concrete house. Yes, when nothing go wrong. If nothing do go wrong, come in, I wish nothing but on him. Don't say me never want him. Do not say me never want him. Go on and talk to your future
Oh,
husband.
second time I get your permission.
Go talk
You
to
see
your
the third
fiancé.
time, you not go wake up.
No dirty foot, man.
Sorry about that, Eve. So, you know,
No,
what
man.
the sanitary business
No man, I'll
again.
change.
So.
I'm thinking you make a go foreign. I'm going to live Jamaica. I can move go foreign. I live shit. I'm going to live someone different. Like, Fiesta, I can't take Fiesta.
Not wrong, come in, can't stomach either.
Me can't put up people. And then the man has to me already.
That's true. But we'll talk to her some
No
more.
man, my mind
So-
change. Visa cancel for him.
Yes,
Flight
thank
cancel
God.
for him, man.
Amen.
But you still gonna get my visa though, that's
I
true.
mean,
I mean, I ain't a sport. Because she a big 18-year-old now, man.
Yes, right.
if I walk, she a walk, if you say.
I
Me not really want the bad vibes there, so you know.
Yes, I show me love.
So-
Me don't want to. Just
If
get
not,
that.
you kind of go
Um,
inside a little bit. Let me
You know, mirror in there?
give a chat.
You have mirror in there, right?
Of course, everything in
You're
there.
looking at every morning, right?
Every
You're
morning.
looking at often, right? So you must see yourself look. You know, so you look retarded sometimes. Even sometimes Look for him.
Well, me allow that one for wrong because she disrespect you first. So what is good for the geese is good for the gander.
Retarded man like.
But still, alright.
Me say all in short to me about me friend have go to them and Billy, you know. Then favor him phone life and fall.
Alright, remember some of the daughter still.
Me know say daughter
remember
man,
some of the daughter still. So make we change the subject.
True.
So like how you see the place and you go see the other place.
Yeah.
Just pack your bag, man B. Pack your bag and come because I don't see what the problem. All when you work at night, then you just leave from here, you know, say you have your home for come back to you have your base.
Okay, my phone.
Yeah.
Baby done tell her what going already, man. You living thing now go work out right now.
Mommy, let me tell you something.
If you can't
Hold
say
on.
something good, keep your mouth.
Put on your
Send
hand.
me now. You don't do it.
Listen to no, let me talk.
Send me my house when me talk.
You say you make me talk, make me talk. I made that first. Remember say
Send him in the
first.
house.
Boy, when you shut up.
Send him in the house or
Listen
somewhere in
to me,
Bellevue
mommy.
or somewhere.
Listen to me. You see any man who can't sleep at the night time and no fear man. You see if me and one man and me can't sleep at the night time and no my man. I share man. And to when me I hear, you share him. Because if you can't come, you can't sleep you one night. Not even one night you don't get the off. I say work every night, every single night. You work during the whole year. You work every night. You can't sleep you one night. Me tell you enough for your man.
Well, thank you for your word of advice.
Yes.
But when you see people talking, you come out of a relationship. 'Cause at the end of the day, are the two people in a relationship are gonna put them head on the pillow. So if you don't have something nice to say, keep your mouth.
To
Me a big woman and I know what me doing. Thank you very much. Go inside and find something to do.
when me hear for him head now go past your pillar. Remember me tell you I get bored.
You know all about taking people
You are
man.
get more, you get bored.
Bye bye.
That look that if
Bye bye. How you lose your visa with your mouth, jam fool. Sorry about that.
Me can't bring handicap people from plane, man. If we crash, I will stay at Jamaica. I might talk about share. But if you share, me no food. Our food alone they share and water and juice and something. They not share people.
Just know though, you know, so me mad somebody, you know. So me not take hearsay still. But you see if you find the proof,
Yeah.
me a mad somebody.
Okay,
So
man.
no way I do Bill. Especially like come here defend myself,
Yeah.
defend you to my daughter. Come here crush you. And then we were really told.
Where you go
I'm
crush
here
and
crush you
wheel out?
again.
What that?
Come in and share easy.
What that? What that?
If you don't know, don't want
Where you crush
to
and wheel
know.
out?
If you don't know, you don't want to know. Don't ramp with me, Bill. Yeah.
Weed
I'm
me a
going to
crush.
trust you till me see proof.
Weed me a crush. I'm
Alright.
going to wheel out you and whistle right away.
Alright. The same so as you
Yeah,
crush the weed.
Mm.
The same so me crush and twist. I'm a mad somebody. But me no work with hearsay.
No, say
You
can't
can't
work
take
with that,
hearsay
man,
go
but-
court.
Where you say now? And road more and going, where you say where do?
Well, like how you rest off now, you
Yeah.
go up on the road. Let me just show you the house now.
Come on, go look on it.
Alright, got a big upstairs, downstairs. No,
Oh, big. No man, it's hot in a moment.
yes,
No, so we can be the how far the house there. She know the house there, son.
just little patience, man.
Man, the house too
Just
far,
little
man.
patience.
Little
It'll be
patience.
worth it when you see it.
So
Alright,
like
you
when you even see it yet.
can stop for a little break now. Let me hear how you blow.
Go.
See it here? Are the two of them have been?
The one and the one?
Yeah, man. The one gone further than the other.
Gosh.
Yeah, man.
Can't park up with these when I
Me
buy
no
these.
plan small, me plan big.
You don't want to get on no money.
Look, man, look at your future home. That's why they tell you to pack up, man, and come.
We don't buy these them.
Yeah, man. So, you like the place then?
I love the place. Who say, when you get married?
That me I say. Go if you
get
got married for
married,
true.
And I think if he's someone enough married and done, things of the last. You need to 10 years again.
So tell me something though.
Mm.
Although would I marry you still? Well, actually, you see the house them you gonna marry me?
No one remember some of house already, you know. But some rich already, you know. Just means like how you elevate yourself so you can say, alright, man alone now clap, cause one hand can't clap.
That's
Use
true,
two
that's
hand
true.
and clap, cause you have what me have. You see me? Me might have more, or who have more from who, but you know where you go.
Aye. Make sure you know be coming around them that kind of joke, you know. Me not run joke when it comes to my man. You know.
Serious woman, man. Now I'm team man.
Oh.
Me deal soft man, one of the serious and rough.
And that.
Cross.
The well crossed from my head hot.
Yeah, my tell you, man.
Alright. So the other one soon done. Just more windows and doors and things we want to put in it now.
Yeah, man, I like that one, man. Man, look nice.
Eh?
Think they look lovely, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So future home when you move in, that me I tell you.
Nice, look. You know, go up on the top of the roof, you can see the beach.
So we can all come. Let me show you the second one now, so you can see the second one.
No, I'm trying to be. I can't go down now. You hear me? Soon come check. Soon come check. You hear me?
Alright. Me I go back down. Cause me don't want to see that. Me don't want to smell that neither. Alright. Me not love you so much.
Where over there, so? What y'all do over there, so? Come over here, so. Hold on. Let me see, where shit then?
No, let me see your fright, man.
Let me see one shit, say good.
No, about that job, man.
Where shit then?
You fright me, be.
Tell me which part this
You
shit
fright
then.
me, man. Me could eat shit just run up back in on
Hello, come out of stuff on the roadside. I'm come out of the bush. Let me listen to what I said to you. Carefully, man. You know how far me I walk come from? Eh? You know how far me I walk come from? Hey, you text me phone. You call me, right?
Yeah.
Say, oh, you're there on lunch break.
You mean on lunch break?
Alright.
Tell us want to see me, maybe come like it.
Alright.
Like fast, boss, come
So then now, hold on, man. When me reach, don't know where you say you go there. I don't get a call. Come and say, maybe I hide in that bush. Where you did there?
Me I try to explain to you.
Where you come from?
You see you beat me for me a big man, you know?
You get me cross, man. You know long me walk up and don't like me not understand.
Me explain, no be. Me explain. My boss come on his spot and pick me up and say, watch it, man. Work ready now. And you need to want the money.
Yes.
You know it already, man. So you know, say, if you just cut that, I'm the one get to, you know.
So why you never just call back my phone and tell me, say, me I go or something?
So you back up, I'm going to call, but I was jumping in a vehicle and just go to work.
So what you do up here, so now I've been in a bush like a hide, yeah, like a yes, me I come and hide.
Me in the see look on my face, me I try to cut that shit.
In the open?
You see, I want light pop in the bed now pass. Back I light post. Look bush it blacky, look bush it blacky.
That's what me I say. No ramp with me.
Oh man,
Cause me head psycho, me head sick. The next time you even not going at the car, man, you could have called me.
I say I chuck my weapon to come. I see it. Let me walk or move up. Build up and look structure back yourself.
You know see a ramp with me. You see a ramp with me. I get to slap off your face.
Too high.
Because you tell me, you know, me I'll walk up, you know, you see me come from up a bush. I wear around me walk to save me buck you. Can me think of certain days a day you do?
Walk in a yard.
Go on, we are good on. I mean, no, what you say you do in a bush of shit?
Me a man, you know.
Oi, man, just have to love him. Can you make me feel so nice? Wee, me have to cool down, bro. Oh Lord, how you face it, sir? What do you?
What happened?
Nothing happen. In a good mood. Your mother feel good. How you face it, sir?
Good. Oh, dash me, sir.
What do you mean dash you?
If I get no money, no talk to me again. Yeah, the time no mix up. You top tell me morning. You top read me bedtime story. No.
Oh, hold on. Let me stand up for this. Yeah. Oh, Lord. Sasha, what really do you, eh? What you mean? Right. And then you tell me if you go find a man.
No, it's too much now. I can't manage. It might get all the attention now.
So you're not a big girl.
Mm-mm.
You go find your man.
No, but I want no man. Me alright.
That's so sure you know say you're a big girl now, you know. You can't stay under here for long. You go and go spread your wings soon and start your life. What me I go do when you're gone, eh?
Me not go nowhere. That's why if you make him go back where I come from.
No, man.
You give him too much attention. You give more attention than me. Every minute you're on the phone with him, you smile. You even come here me and get around in my room. One time I used to come around in my room, come take me out of bed and sit down and talk to me. Not even that again.
Oh God, wanty can't get no wanty, eh? When me used to come around and your door, you used to fling the pillar out of the room, the door. Get out! Me no want you in here. Me no want my privacy. So now me I give you a little privacy is problem.
Yeah.
That is not this.
I even like him, man. That make you worry, sir.
That is the real problem.
Man, me not like him none time.
Him not do you nothing. Him try to show you same like you. Try to get on with the family. And from day one, you a bad mind him and a bad mouth him.
I don't want thing like me because me not like him.
But what him do you? What you against him?
He really not go come and me I go on the road. Me I find one new man because me not like the one there. So me so come back. Yeah?
Come here. Me not like see you upset, you know, baby girl. Alright, cheer up, man. Try give him a chance.
Yeah.
Your mother is not an idiot, man.
Yes.
Marriage you talk, prenup have to sign. No worry.
Okay.
If I that you worry, pan, no worry, man. Me no make downstairs thing for upstairs. Miss upstairs still alright, here?
Okay.
Alright.
Later.
Turn the frown upside down.
Yes.
Man, I'm kill man, I know the worry. I know you my love man. God. Not to be jealous man. You don't say you're mad you know. See the Maria still on one script and one easy, you know. You know my steady man. You know, I like your house look man, your house big and sitting. That time think call for your house all big and my house too, you know. Yeah. A good look man, man have their own thing, you know. You man have ambition, you know. If you're ambitious. Yeah. So what you say? Oh, alright, bossy. You know you go bossy, man. Alright. No, but me was stress me out, you know.
What you just say, do?
They are going all the vibes, you know. Boss man just call me while I'm gonna try to beat things right now. I can't manage, you know, man.
So, how you tell me say I work you go?
Yeah, boss just called me a while ago.
But you know look dress appropriate for God work.
Boss, he just called me a while ago.
Can't tell you what?
No, you see, he work close them, they have work. So I just put anything I just put on and go work and just change job. You know my style already. Yeah, boss say you can't
realize if any other day since you get this work, if they at some corner by yourself, they pan phone and talk about bossy this, bossy that. So let the bossy business.
Oh, I'm telling you, man. I have to work. I just work, never work.
Excuse me, miss. Are you better at this? I mean, I don't see no other miss, yes, sir. Are you yes, sir, you may talk, are your brother? Madam, I know my brother. So, I'm a man. Yeah. Yes. You know, Awa, what the problem? What the problem? Mother, this like. What the problem? When with you? It's like you're deaf, come person. It's like you there for me to talk to like a sharp dwarf, y'all. Me say this is my man. You're not assist properly. So you jet me for? Can you go on like say you're my man in a business? You're man in a business. Oh, no, me love. You come like you know something what me don't know then. If I did me your man in that business that to do happen. It coming like you know something what me don't know then. Me know a lot. Talk up, no. Talk up, you just laugh like a little dirty face. No. What serious? If you me for laugh, come here and wonder. How that for?
How happened?
How this?
You know her. You learn the things.
No.
Things.
So why you stop here so far? Me look alike. We look relatable. I'm a man.
How should that be? Which dog that thing?
Yo,
Yo, dog not know where you see that, so me must see the pitbull what did here.
Yo, who?
Me man. You
sure?
you don't say you upset me, you know.
Hello, let me go.
Upset me.
Tell the woman to let me go.
You upset me.
Let me tell the woman to...
What you know about me, girl?
Let me go.
What you know about me?
Allah.
You come here so come and stop and lab off your go up more. What you know about me?
Me know that.
Talk then.
Yes.
Talk then.
I want to me to say no. Make sure.
Make sure what?
Make sure, man.
Sure.
Me 100% sure say I'm a man.
Who you be?
I'm a man.
What your problem?
You don't see that is my man.
One man.
This one just a lab off your thinking mode.
Let's make sure. Me
Me
say fi make
Yo, lick him down
sure.
here, be, can you see a fool, can you give me one?
Lick
Lick him down, Why not eat fool?
What's wrong with that girl, man?
Fool in the...
You're the next one.
No, be, no.
You is the next
No,
one.
be, me tell you,
I see. And they must tell me I talk about, you know. And them, you see what else happened, Malago?
I told them see me at work with the
Listen to
boss.
me.
The boss rich, you know, look at boss give me today. Last night, if you say. See it there.
Money. Some of the time, I don't see the dollars there.
Count it. What is a count it?
Jesus. Well, I money this. Well, that's what I talk about bullshit. I don't forget about it, but I have to count the money first. Money
No,
come
man,
first.
I forget about she, man. Money, I priority, you know?
Well, I'm counting again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Get $100 US. But
man,
that not say. Me no say I'm married. That not say.
You mean I work fine now?
That not say. Me still not bypass. The fact that I get a comment so come stop and I chat for more. Make sure say you not give me bun with that the girl there no.
Just me the funny
Cause
work.
that the girl not half good looking as I am. You think she
100%.
can't time for Badua?
You don't have to tell me that.
Yes, anyone give me bun with she.
You're
I
mad.
this year this me.
Me this myself.
I this year this me.
Me this
You see,
myself.
You see if I have in your mind to give bun?
Never.
Rich white woman.
True.
Not black.
We no give bun.
Rich white
Black
woman.
Black man don't give bun.
Rich. And about with the bun business, cause not because I say rich and white, that not mean say if you go give bun. Me not the bunning business with you.
Man can bun. Me no want to
All of a
shop.
sudden, me not like when you on the road to talk off your mouth and I talk about boss this boss that. Every time you tell me over yard, you tell me say you can't go work. You out here in a seat, sit down.
Yeah, be. Sit down, cause the boss come and tell me say think can delay. Me tell the problem say think delay. Say me come and one time to forward. Me say go and cool out. And a bonus cliff. You come out. Say girl come now within chatting.
Remember say me want you know.
No, I think I look off me. I'm not interested.
Any day me find out say something you know something me no know about. And something I go where enough you go.
No,
and so me a swing off you whoop when. You hear?
No,
and put in our frying pan and fry up your finiam.
Me?
So ramp with me. No, me and me I go near me.
Better you near me.
And me I go eat it. And you me fry up your and give. Ramp with me. You can't go over yard. Over yard me I go. Watch yourself. Watch yourself.
Alright, you know, be
Here?
you already know, man. You have more stuff. You know, see your money now, man. You gotta come broke my vibes, my brother.
Me love, are you in a better mood now?
Yes, me love. Me in a better mood.
That me love, that me love. That's my baby.
You're not gonna love that one. Yeah.
Where you find man?
No, stand up, mommy, stand up. If I did that, you'd even bad. Even though me no want no man, you know.
Up and down, and
Me say mother.
Mm-hmm.
Me want to go up with my friend, you know.
Mm-hmm.
After me, I come back down from my friend. Guess who me see?
You know who?
Guess, man, guess.
And then the guessing business, man.
Your
Just tell me, come on.
your so-called husband.
Oh, you see job one.
Yes, me see.
You did it on the phone to him, man.
Oh, you
Swim, yeah, man.
Oh.
You see him? You did have manners to him, man. Come on, one, the two on to forget on and
Well,
grieve.
we.
So what you say?
Well,
You say nothing about me?
No, you not say nothing about it at all. You not say nothing about it at all. Me say job one with woman sit down not chair. I want me ask the girl, me go up to the girl, me say, excuse me. Are you brother? The girl said no. I'm a man. Yes. Say she man. you want to see he go all fat and hitch up behind the girl to and come bribe me with US. Like him think me not used to money. Yes, I bribe me with money and I say, come now, me fi come tell you. Or you know I'm fi tell the girl say madam be she. But you know what I do? Me left them and me walk come like I girl jape me too, you know. The girl jape me up and talk about say, oh, if I'm me I look her man and this and that. Jape me up. When I say she drape me. I don't want to say girl clean it. Cause they say she look a bit taller but she's slim. You're more body than her. Yes. I did tell her, say no fear man. Any man can't sleep here. I don't know fear man. I did tell you I can't sleep. I never want you.
Chatty. How you... I like say you like perplex my brain, you know. Eh?
What I know?
Cause that's how me know say yeah.
Come on, time.
That's how you come to perplex my brain in a shot.
No, I'm not
Cause the
perplexing.
sun now do it.
Listen.
Cause me know any girl drape you up, you go back send back. I mean I listen for the story. I mean I hear what me feel hearing of the story. As what she's name Judge Judy say, if it don't make sense and not true, Shawty, you really can't do that to the best story you can come up with.
She never lick me, so me not lick her. She only drape me.
So you make girl pan street drape you up, and that you really want me to believe?
It drape no had no affair do you know, because you see, if I did my man she a take, but that drape her back. But if it's not my man she a take, me not go drape her, cause you are the people a man. Even though me don't know who I take man stills, but
that's how I can't believe you know Shawty, because you just come. Me no say you like your bone, but this you really stoop to my girl.
If me not like him for true, I not like him, but me do tell such a lie, and him as bad as thing be. Because he not so bad, but me just not like him because he broke and he walk. What me tell? By the way, are you giving US money? US currency, if I say pronounce it. Cause it here back a girl a bribe me with. Don't want to see him wrap up it, you know, and a handmade and I use it and I do so. So me when I use this and I give me money, him I do so. And you want to see girl turn up in front of him like so. And in my face so. And drape me. But me not drape her because I'm my man.
Me can't follow that story. Me can't follow that story because
listen.
even if he might go give me a bun, which I doubt, but even if a man him name, right, him not go be so fool and do it out the street. And you know why me not believe you, Shawty? Because me know say your head hot. Because more times me have to drape you up as your mother. A girl out the street drape you up, so what me I feed you for?
Mommy, hold on.
What me I feed you for?
Mommy, hold on. Remember saying to my man, so me not go drape her back.
You no business with that.
Hold on, wait, mother. Calm down.
Come with the foolishness to me, little girl.
Nice. Mine raise up her blood pressure. I'm my mother. I can't carry the hospital if I drop down, but listen to me. Me not tell you no lie. And it's true to God, me tell you. God up in heaven, God don't say true, me tell you here. But me tell you something. You see, what is in the dark must come to the light. And you see, whenever you find out, say, it might give you born for true, I'm going sorry for you, but me tell you. My sure that you're not gonna cry, and you go back to Jesus because when me just warn you, you need to listen. Me tell you say, leave the man alone, but you don't listen. You can't man go show you a concrete house. And I talk about marriage. Married?
And that's already the real problem.
But what I know?
Me really know the problem. I true you feel left out. You leave the yard today. Tell me, sir, how you feel left out. So me now read your bedtime story and I come and I labba my mouth with you no more.
Mommy, listen to me.
So you go out to the street and that's really the best you can come back up with.
Listen to me, mother. What is in the dark must come to the light. And me a gonna house go lay down on my phone and call up my friend. And tell her when me see on the road where happened a while ago.
You feel let me tell a better story than that, man.
Don't
Because
know
your
what?
story not add up. And from it not add up, it not make sense.
Yes, goodbye.
Wow. I won't take so long if you come on. Hey,
evening.
come here now. Looking, hey,
Yes.
nice. Me born weed too, you know.
Eh?
Yeah, man, born weed and a woman like you, me don't want to know, you know.
Hey.
You married?
Yes, I have my man. How me one bless you?
Yeah, so you're married and you have a man, but that not really bad still. We can talk.
You know, some I think my man would like that, you know.
No, listen. The coach have 2 man.
Which part?
You have to have one for reserve. And you have to have one for the go. So you see one for the go, when the one for the go mess up, you go for the reserve. It's just like when you drive your car, you run out of gas, you're sorry, you have to blow in it. That's a reserve.
So tell me something. You try to talk to me. Which one me would be? The reserve. And that you would do me and really I stop and I try look me and I tell me say you don't give me bun. That don't make no sense.
You know what tells me I give bun? I'm a single man. You say you are a man, so I say you need a side man.
No, I mean
You need a man to spend the money.
Me have my man that spend money already. I'm independent. I don't need man money.
You don't need man money. I wish woman don't need man money.
If a man won't spend for me, me not stop him. But
Look.
me not need.
See all the car, baby. Look at the car. Nice piece of car.
Are you care this?
Yes!
Are you care this?
Millions of dollars we buy it for. Millions of dollars.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so how long you have this your car?
Well, since lately buy, you know. No funny good. No pay $15 million for it.
And the
Brand new
wheel flats.
BMW. Yeah?
And the wheel flat.
Oh, me never see it, you know. If you never tell me, I'm going to see it. But at the latest 2027 BMW. Talk to it.
27.
BMW. The latest model.
Well,
Upgraded. Listen, you see, right now, I have stove in there. Yeah, man, we just tell car cook and the cook. And latest one that.
Yeah, smart car that day.
Remember how girl cock up them foot in the farm dashboard when we are driving local markets them? This is one we just say, BMW, let her foot cock up, it just go up easily. You know, no more dashboard business. You just take up their foot in the air.
Caca far.
Yes.
Well, since this is your car, I saw you both say.
Yeah, man, I see wheel and it's like a punch, you know. By the time you're gone, you're back by yourself. Yeah, man. And the new type, then you don't go no mechanic again. They say if you're on the road and you run out of gas, you don't need to find a gas station. Yes, man. You don't need no gas station.
Okay.
Because guess what? All you have to do, BMW need gas. The gas come.
Yeah.
Then locate any gas station and the people then come with the gas. You don't need to drive, go there, just stay anywhere and turn on the car and talk to it. If you want to know if your woman a cheat, BMW, what's my woman doing? Oh, your woman at home doing something. Yeah. I say latest one them. Yeah, see, look what they go. One of a kind color this in a BMW.
It look nice still.
I first it's in the shape of BMW, that's true.
But like how my foot tired and sun hot. Maybe go in, go cool off now. Turn on the AC. And stretch up my foot. And put my foot up on the dashboard. You know the key.
No, I left the battery in yard. I'm advised to open it and the key.
Oh God, you give me joke if nothing else.
No, no, you have to take out the battery at night time. Because you can't easily talk to.
Oh.
I mean, want nobody fraud my voice.
Okay.
Until you can't open up the door. So you just go there and say, open up. And open up, and no one then do it and take it away.
Oh God, Are you careful, true?
Yes,
I'm If you learn to tell the truth, especially when you chat up woman. When you talk to woman, the first thing you know, and not lie. Me know this your car. Me walk on this lane and me pass the car every day. You not live around here, sir.
Oh.
So style me.
Sorry about that. I really did want to know lie still. I show me like you, I know say woman love fancy car, they love the latest car them. Yeah,
Not every woman is a gold digger, yeah.
No, I never say every woman is a gold digger, you know, understand. Majority of them, 99.9. Just 1%, 1%, nothing. All of them, you know, 99 point, you know, of them, 1% of them out there. They're my gold digger. You should have known that.
Well, me I know
It's
one.
younger generation. Them. I don't talk to the big woman, them, you know. Because the big woman, them know how to do them thing. You see, woman, them in their 60, when I roll with them, because you look like you're 60, you know.
Yeah, what? You know what? Me gone. Chat better lyrics when you talk to a woman, and the bother with the bullshit. A woman no want bullshit.
So why are we talking about woman in their 60?
So you tell me look all and down out.
No!
Me look all and down out. So me
You know,
young man, no sir.
Come no, man.
No man. You can't talk to a woman and do that. Me a young, sexy woman, and you come tell me, say, me a OAP. Me no know that, man. You come insult a woman. You can't, if you don't know a woman age, don't guess it, man.
So we can alright. Let me 1,000.
Who you to? Who you to?
You know?
Hey, me no know you, so me no know when me I go get it back. And here what? Next thing, me I go teach you, when you look at a woman, if you have money in your pocket, and you done a show care how woman love things, and you come look woman with your elephant. Hey.
Me have money. You say when you look woman, if you have money. This have money. Have money this. Yeah, laugh.
My God, you're funny, you know, you're funny. At least you put a smile on your face.
You have money, so the money this.
That
Money.
the kind of money I go get you the right kind of woman. But you see me not deal with kind. Yeah. A Kyle me deal with, not kind.
You want to hear about Bitcoin? I hit this. It's a Bitcoin, no kind.
Oh, no, darling. That is neither Bitcoin nor Satoshis.
Only Satoshi.
Go learn about it. Me gone to my real man. Yeah.
Alright, so you say. You feel me?
What happened? I'm going to be able to. David.
Oh, you there roadside to sit down, I'm gonna say from morning. You come home from work. And I drink special.
Yeah, told me I did some little thing, man. I did ready cash business, man. I tell us what I go on already, man. You just not really little funds me, man.
So me not important, B.
I mean, if you're not important, but I did not ready cash me, I.
No, man, you don't even phone me. Let me know see you alright.
Phone dead.
I miss you, no, B.
So I miss you too.
When you see my morning sort out, man.
Don't worry about that.
Oh, God. You make me dry out, man.
That's there you go, man. Don't worry yourself,
If you
man.
keep the garden well water, you know.
Pipe up a yard. If one pipe up there. Just
And I know that the pipe me want. And that the pipe me want. You know, for leave me, you know, for leave me wanting, you know, B.
I need to want it. I'm to you, man. I know some love it in my heart, man. You see me hope to die. Whatever they want me to say. You know what I'm saying?
Be careful, you know, B. Because you promise, swear to die, you know.
Ah, that the word then.
Because be careful, you know. Come, me tell you, say already, say me a mad woman, you know.
No, mad woman, me love. But the clean clothes one, the clothes one, the clean clothes and I live in a house. Yeah. House, I have money, I have land. Yeah. You know what thing go out the building. I know say I work on that thing.
Well, I gotta tell you the truth, you know. Cause next be coming on the road, and next man try chat me up, and I tell me how he like me, and I show me him BMW and thing for me to go in it and turn on AC and cock up my foot so.
Hope you don't want to give me no boy no one babes.
No, I tell him say I have my man. Me know that.
Not to nobody person drive it in a man. Some tell you bus on the road, man.
Mm-hmm.
And rent out. So people have you go and rent, man. And to you, man, money you make off, I want to live off of. Just say no, a boss thing come like you know. But you know, I don't know about the boss thing right now, you know, but You don't want to work to them same way, you know, because more money that you take care of 2 hours, leave the visa, them everything, fly up an iron bird. You know, big foreign we are going now. Big foreign and little foreign. Big foreign.
Yeah, man. Big flying, big movements.
Big foreign, man.
Big movements. But no, this, you know, be me jealous, you know. A June me born, you know. A June 17 me born, so me right in the middle.
I'm born July. Yeah, July.
So me the hothead twin.
Yeah.
So you see me nice, me a twin, you know. So you see me nice and me loving.
Yeah.
Me make me head chip. Cause you see, me give you my heart. And me faithful, me I'll tell you when man I touch me.
So you say you're loyal, man, you feel man, because I'm fun out of that.
Ah, you see there. So you see, if you hurt me, they'll cut out your heartstring, you know.
For
I'm a tired thing, you know. I'm a tired and tired. Ring it so it chop off, you know.
I'm just still, you want to take out my manhood from me.
Because if me can't get it, no other girl forget it, you know.
Don't forget it.
No other girl forget what is mine, you know. So if me can't get it, that's how it go.
No, man, I can't do that.
So no way you do, you know, be because I kind of not feel good how you finish work, man. You fi check me, man.
Plus, I go buy a bank, but you look a thing, man. You know, hear what go on. Man, money we are doing, money we say, anyway.
Bank open all day, be.
Bank went there when they locked. They so locked.
So you come home and sort out your woman first.
But I fuck if you know, you know. Just take a breeze off because it's hot. See something going on there now. Take a one special and a split and go on.
Well, like,
easy.
Like how you have the special and the split. Come now.
You soon come, man.
No, man, come now. Oh, I'm a garden water. No.
I go pitching when I'm left them, you know.
No, man, every me come back.
No, I'm see you bin pan, man.
Come, man, come, my bush dry.
No water.
Come give me the thing what the doctor ordered me. What?
Hi. Me not just tell you something.
I'm gonna answer
just
you.
tell you something and you go up and you go chat to this.
My man. Yes.
It's for man.
Illegal, it's a lie, illegal. When you talk about people, it's a lie.
I'm not talk to you right now.
Remember, you know, when you post them, you see me like me, you know, remember, you know, so you little thing.
All right.
Remember.
Since everybody
Oh,
there now.
girl, where they talk to
Shorty come tell me say
Yeah.
she see you with a woman on the road and the woman a little taller than me and black and thing. She's draped up Shorty and say is her a woman her.
Come and tell us that while.
When tell us that?
Tell us that. Tell us that she not like me. You know what I mean? If you do anything, come and tell her any little thing. Any little story we tell her. Just we break up.
Oh.
You know, see that from morning. If first, all in front of you, it's the first time you see what am I tell you, sir?
Not true.
Yeah, man, cutting us, you believe him.
You know what, Shorty? Me in a good mood. And you're lucky to me already.
Yeah, you're in a
like
good
this.
mood. Can you say something like this?
Lift up.
Oh, me not go nowhere. Alright, there's some stick.
Excuse me, yeah.
Yes, man, do you the man?
I can't go on the road.
You know, block my traffic. Oh. You know, block my traffic, little girl.
No, I'm saying, man.
Come.
Come on,
I want my garden water.
Oh my God. Famous.
Hello.
What time now?
Now you have the phone in your hand, so you ask me what the time. You have a phone in your hand, you use the phone not work.
Oh, sorry about
It's
that.
like your phone not work.
Sorry about that. Anyway, I told me like you, but me ask you what time.
Oh, me sorry, no, but me have a man. You like him thing now go work.
What go on on the island? Everybody have a man. Me not find no woman who ever say they're single yet.
Can I think woman no day, no single woman no day. Me have my man.
But you not think you want a side man?
No, me no need a side man. A one man me want, and that is enough. He gone work. No, me look for my man and tell my man say make me go look work. You know, my man look for me and tell me say, him is the man. Him will go look the work. I just stay home. See, so I do. When the house too hot, I come out and sit and get fresh breeze. So me now give him no bun.
You sure not big? You come out to big?
No.
Sure not. And that
Over the boardhouse that me live. A fresh breeze me can't get.
Me a big mansion.
Me no frightened for mansion.
You could have. You can do with one in a good house. Come
So
live with
wrong.
me. I saw my yard wall run. They say it's a long wall. My yard wall run like that.
Pass how what this?
Father God.
So what Andy? Yeah man a gay bun and ya gay man. Ya gay man bun.
Come to your
Where's your
girl.
man at all?
Him man a gay bun.
You
Yes,
there?
sir.
And
there.
him a gay man bun. 1 minute the nice.
Look at girl.
Man no mash up it.
You stop here so this man and a fast with me. I mean, warn you, you know. And you come again in the evening.
But I throat me a chat.
Look at you. Who man give me bun with? Who man I give me bun with?
Look here, let me go.
Let
Let me go.
Oh, my man I give me bun with, girl.
Look here, let me go. Let me go.
Every time you come here, lab off your mouth, oh, my man. Oh, my man I give me bun with.
That's for me to
Oh,
know.
my man I give me bun with.
Mister, that's for me to know and you to find out.
Says like you know something.
You see somebody where your man a give up on with me, person good. But guess what? No, that person is very important to me, so I can't tell her that one day. I have to go find out that feel fail.
So how my man tell me say don't know he's a psychopathic girl.
Oh.
He's a mad girl. That he tell me.
Let me go.
So you can't take my man. Any day my man there with something like this, this in this, if he there with something like this.
Hey, look at man, no one would want him. Sometimes I wonder where I sit by your
That style, my man.
Yo, miss, the tongue in my picture.
all you shut up before
No
me throw
future.
this in your face.
Young,
As much as me want there with that ship by you. Hello!
Dashing off your face. But hey,
This is good.
say go cross this girl, man.
Say,
Move on here, me yard get girl.
you think I'm making man a gear band girl?
Such a can't hold it, girl, in a man. Hey,
in the car in our backside.
hey,
You idiot.
why idiot? The girl offer you for that drinks in your face and you don't know nothing about
Why,
it. You feel
see?
defend you, yes.
Anyway, I know that me talk about now. What you say? We can't be friends then?
No. Yeah, oh, what kind of friend? It depends on what type of friend you talk about.
Friend as in close friend.
Friend as in you say, hello, hi, my name is Kayla, what's yours?
Me not too like that friendship, but me work with it.
I never tell us that friendship. I say, what is your name? I don't know your name, sir.
Oh! Call me JJ.
JJ. Well, JJ, I am Kayla.
Yeah.
Me have a man. Set your body good.
You
I
know,
like you want to come disturb the evening.
so,
Awa.
so you know, find me attractive.
Probably if me is single, me that find it attractive, but me not single, me can't find
You know,
it
you the
attractive.
girl say your man a get bun. Wish I should have have your man locked down.
So me ask you a question. You say can go cool?
No?
Okay. Me here say they around the road a thief. Is that true?
No?
Me see you around here. Okay. Me not catch my man a give me bun yet, so my man not give me bun yet.
Okay.
So when me catch him, me say yes. And me sit in my two, yeah, me say yes, he might give me bun.
Okay, best friend.
Yes.
Remember, you know,
Mm-hmm.
if your man cheat on you and you left the man, I'm not gonna pick you up because I don't work with redundant.
Better take a good time and walk when you're going to JJ. Come if you kick off your foot off of your head.
Call me name properly.
J.
J.
JJ.
Right.
That's a boy, yo.
Yes, just
No
Jesus
crosses
in
people
me,
see
yeah?
you. Eh.
Jesus.
Oh, go.
You love that. How do you?
I know you make on more. You, sir! Me come from up the road a while ago. How could you believe some me pass here, woman on roadside, so night chair what I hug up on them and I suck out tongue?
Where the roadside? My house where I come from.
Me say, me did I come from up the road and me see a woman.
Your woman?
What me see her with what day?
My woman girl, see me woman there.
Mm-hmm.
No,
What you mean by?
I know the one you may talk.
The
You
you
know.
know.
Hello, shut up. You
Let's
know
say
which
Lulu.
woman may talk.
One kid daughter.
Anyways.
You can't just stop saying to me get there and done. You can't
Listen
sit
to
it
me
back.
now.
No big, Mariah, because you can't kill
Or
the
else,
vibes.
we link up
Oh,
and
yes,
share
listen
up on
to
the
me.
road.
It's on her. Tell me I'm going. So when I go up, just ask a woman, say, which woman in the, which man in the hug up on a kiss. Excuse.
As a matter of fact, come back here now I'm gone. I need to talk to you. Come, I can't take this no more. Come here.
I know you want to talk to me. Talk, I son hat. Me can't bother.
What is really your problem, Shorty?
I don't have a problem, my love.
You come with him there with woman, then you come with that no work. So you come with him woman that where you walking and what do you?
What do you mean?
You haunted?
No, I'm not haunted you. I swear. It's like I said, hot his son just now. His son and me. Me not haunted at all. Me just hot. Hot me hot. I
Because
feel like I gotta see, you know.
you have to go do something for wash for the crosses that follow you, my girl.
And your
Because
money crosses a fella. You are your man. Cause your man attack your bun. And yeah, them big in but they're not big thing nothing cause you don't see now yeah, see your man at your bun.
missing nothing. You can't take here.
That's how you feel up in the yeah them. Open the yeah when interested my God work. Follow him. Because when interested my God work, I go to him next girl. Say every girl yard come and fear, say every fear go back to a girl. You know, the same man take you for one piece of papi show.
Shorty,
You know, see?
what the eye no see the heart now leak here?
Well,
Me
my
no see it.
Well, my
You see if me see it and me done talk to him already. When me have my proof, hey, me now say you're wrong. I mean thank you for thank. You can feel that you can talk to me.
yes, mother.
But me not have no proof. If me have answer for myself or hear for myself, I get proof for myself,
Yes.
then it's a different pot of fish.
Mommy.
You can't take here so go to
Hear what?
court.
Do not make him get up in your head. Yes, when me can't tell you things, them don't follow me, tell me say a lie, because me never put you tell you a lie yet. I mean, there a few much years, and me never put you tell you a lie
You
yet.
not lie when you climb through window and catch you. You never lie when you bring in boy and catch you.
Make up about fear, man. Not
Oh,
about
different
me.
lie that, different
Make up
lie.
about fear,
Okay.
man. Me never tell you a lie, pan on your man them yet. And no one more than tell lie. Not be, me must say me never yet like none of your man them yet, you know. And me never tell a lie, and everything I tell you are true. And me can't believe say, me I tell you this now. And you not believe me. Out of everything I tell about the rest of man, they want come out come be true. And me tell you no, you don't want to believe me.
Me
You
not
doubt
say-
me.
Yeah, no, I believe you, but me not see no proof. Everything you tell me in the past, me see proof, and me see evidence, and me can say, right.
Now listen, alright, listen. Don't worry yourself. You
Without that, we can't stand up that strong.
see, listen, you see next time we see them together, me I take one picture.
And that you for do.
Yes, that me
Because without
Alright,
the proof,
when
me
it's-
can't say right, because him a gonna say you a lie. You a say him a lie. And me can't prove say him a lie. Me can't prove say you a lie.
Me want better idea, you know what me I go do? So me see a girl, me I take one picture, come give you, and me I make you go to her and you go ask her, say where my name. And when you ask her that, she will tell
Me
you.
not run down,
But
man.
me a
But thank
go
you
in
for
my house.
thinking of me. Yeah?
Yes.
Me not run down, man,
Bye,
like
mommy,
that.
bye.
All right.
Babes. Forward, man. Forward. Forward, no one take so long forward.
What happened when you hurry
Me
me so?
not more hurry so, man. Forward, man. Come for the work and people are telling me about how your man not cheers and support. What kind of style that?
Who tell you that?
When me who tell me that work me there and people come and tell me about that.
If you there work, how people have time to come tell you that?
Work me there, you know. People
The
know me, you know.
only body who see me out there so today and tap and fast with me in the evening is the little black putos girl of about mangoes. That the girl that see me and fast with me. So tell me how you there work and that the girl know which part you work for come to you and tell you business.
Who tell you say a girl come tell me nothing?
And she alone see me.
Brother, I work with the brother and people, more than people tell me more than one somebody. So make I want somebody happy in the pan.
Listen to me. Realize from the other day, you know, yet everything you blame for work.
You mean everything blame pan work. So me not
And the
work
girl,
hard.
and the girl have to see you. And the girl have to see you.
Bro. So me I work hard for me, you know. You know, everybody come and tell them about this and tell them about that, you know.
Me and no man, I was out there, the man was looking me and I said I have my man. The man said, okay then. Then the little Jezebel girl walk up here. Oh! Said where your man, said where your man I give, but I said yeah, I give your man bun. Who you they give me bun with?
Bun tell a strap.
Another bun them here talk.
The bun yeah. So when me bun
Who
up in
ya
the
cheat pa me with? Cause the girl go like, the girl come like she know something, you know, job bun. And the money no say me not so straight in a job. And when me find out me I broke up you and whosoever you give on with you know. Cause you're supposed to know better. You want?
And he can't
The girl said this site are you alone sick her too much. So tell me how it go.
You are woman yourself. If you want somebody, you can get him. We're going to tell somebody else. Be a thing you got to tell them. See, I like.
So me fool for walk up and done and not create problem.
How can I burn it in number 3? What?
So me fool for walk up and not tell people lie.
How me if you know, brother?
Take a one in a job one. You see anyhow. Me even glimpse you with that girl.
What do you mean by
Me I limp up you.
yourself?
Make somebody else. Just make somebody else come to me and tell me. Not that girl alone, but make somebody else come to me. Make a girl even step to me one day job one. Me a step off your face. Me a bust up your face. You see you run come in, but girl.
One burner.
You see you run come in, but oh me there work and people are telling me. I say them a tell me things that me not come rush you. Me ask you.
What do you mean if you rush me? You rush me, of course.
You come in if you come
round. You rush in half. Me ask you too.
Before you come in, you want to about babes. Hurry up and come. Oh yeah, take so long. Hurry up and come.
He last time see me up so in the bush, I take a shit. But you just stick to come beat me and shit.
Me just stick and look for you and me see you in the bush and go and like your shit ain't no shit. And your hand up pants the hard on.
What do you mean by hard on?
And me not see no shit. But shit crawl gone up back in you.
Fly up back, brother, but me could buy that shit. But listen me out now. Style.
Me a laugh with you, me not laugh with your job bone. Any day name them friends to give me bone. Me a mash up you.
By the way, that man.
Hey,
stand there
and ramp with me.
I'm going to shop. You can buy one spice bun for you.
Go on round.
See how I did me so.
You upset me man. Go on at the yard.
Man, you first walk man. Yeah, woman in the yard. Me a move to
Yes, you have to get the welding. Yeah, man. That me love. Hi. Hi, JJ. Yeah, me want to come off my phone. Hold on. Mother. That one make me choke. Come off my phone, man. Hi. Anyways. You remember when me I tell you say man I give you bun? You see today is the day me I make you me prove it to you say I give you bun for true. You have to prove for you? Me say me I go prove it to you. That me say. No. Me I go prove it to you. Me never say me have to prove it. Me say me I go prove it to you. Say him I give you bun today. So listen, now bring up no about bun to him. Now no next woman. Just work with the flow and follow my lead, okay? Yes. So yeah, you can go and enjoy it because I'm on the house together for now until me come with the proof. I understand? Yes. Right, be. But there's a disrespectful mother effing nigga. You can't see me mother have a private conversation and before you hang up the phone. You're there on the phone same way. Where get it? Where get it from?
That's why if you come out to big people arguments, you know.
Where get it from?
And me and my man up on the phone.
I mean, I talk to you privately. You know, understand privately.
Little girl, that's why if you come, your mouth too enough, you know.
Yes.
Your mouth too enough. One of them is this football, I go really talk to you.
Nobody's not going to talk.
If you try,
you need them know what right now. There's a big emergency right now.
Good work.
Emergency, man. Yeah, I'll take the bus and lick right. I'm going to pay money then as well. It's only close to 50 on it. Once you have 100,000, you can lend me or so. You know, you can have the house, you can have it, you can have it, you know. But I bust to make money, you know. I don't want to look start with my speed, you know.
100,000.
100,000.
It's not nothing, man.
Huh?
Huh?
What are they? So you got a couple 100,000 game to fix bus? Where you never yet drive in a front seat?
Unlike you, if I have a business and I try. Me just see I walk and I chat people business.
One that give me
it.
You look nasty rich. You think me no know say me mother money you there with her for?
You think me no know? I come talk about bus leak. Bus leak? Like a thing me a idiot. But if you told me mother, fool, he might go take up 100,000 here. Watch him. That's how good for a bun weed. If I got argue with something like him, I'm just gonna go up on the road.
You have to my flow. I might have. You have to my flow. That's not that.
See?
One all here.
I believe in you, you know. So,
Better be a true believer.
I gotta help you out with this. No, sir.
Yeah.
My daughter and certain birdies are come tell me certain things, but me work with fruits, so me no work with hearsay.
But your daughter feeling for them coming already. Your daughter cook for them for them to cook for them. They like to see good things flowing. You know, like people look in that ear. But then nobody come check you know. You think look lonely. You know that lonely a kill him man, lonely a mash him up bad. Till you're bad man.
You see how my body hot? You see how me ever sweat?
Me a sweat too, son. Hot.
My head hotter, you know?
Easy no man nobody with that.
Know what you do, you know?
Just come in I'm gonna do the crime you make any place no man. You can't fast and quick.
See, Tim, I gotta give you this. She's a lot more than that. I gotta give you this.
Fancy. Yeah, man. You feel that way, man.
Make sure you do good with it, you know.
Even our country, come in, know, sir.
I know, sir. The ramp with me. Come my head hot. You're hotter than my body.
I touch you, man. Let's big up yourself.
Alright. So, hold on. Me just go past what you asked me for. You can't even hug me and say thank you. You can't even give me a little troops and say thank you. Come on, make me feel better, man.
Don't worry yourself, man. I will do the vehicle and let me come back and check you. You hear? Don't worry.
Now, how am I gonna deal with vehicle and I'm supposed to go work? And he might tell me, say, hey. Watch for me and him.
Yeah, come
Where you come from?
Where you come from there?
Let's take a work again.
You big up on the work, yes? But you know you go. What's up for me there? I'm going to a doctor.
So how you gone on the work? It don't even reach time for you to come back home yet.
Do you remember say, I know normal 95 I do, you know.
Is that a 9 to 5?
What do you mean by it?
It is a 6 to 5.
No, 6 to 7. What do you eye?
I something that playing on the end of here. That's how much money you get. Jesus. What's your?
No man, I get so much money from.
You get so much money.
How can you get so quick?
What to give me a little thing, what's normal 95 I do, you know. Regular,
What kind of work you do again? Can you say what tell me type of job you do?
all purpose.
What's your name all purpose?
So you know, say, we get paid in all currency. See, a bar me I come from, if I finish my money from the ground, I'm going dirty, yes. And so much well on.
I'm so happy. I'm holding for money this year, man. What am I?
Give me the money. What I feel?
Yeah.
What is it? What you drink tonight, you know?
I drink none.
We live on the bar, you know, so we have floss. So we take up our money, dash your money. So right now, so my money passes down the bar same way, because you know it go. A while.
Alright.
This year. This year now. I feel you will look for kiss that. Here.
Oh, tell them when you give me $100.
I say this money, you know, you put it down.
No man.
No man, watch. You put it down safely.
This is money, yeah. Yes, to my mind. This is put on your bride. But anyways, like what so much money be? You deserve an award. Come on, go. Start me out. Come on.
Yes, mommy. Me so glad me see you. You see me used to tell you. Say boy, I give you bug and you know here. Guess what happened? Me a prove. You see the money we are getting for fix. Boss when say mash up. You don't know say same woman when me this me on the road me see my get a whole lot of money. Yes,
My money?
Yes, mother, your money make I show you. the evidence. You see? Girl, him a take give money. Look. Money pan top of money. Could they? Girl a count money. Me say girl told him full. Me say girl ask him say how we get paid so quick and get so much money. Now for your job born that your so-called husband. Not for your man. Now worry yourself. Come.
Me didn't warn him, you know. Me didn't warn him and me notice certain things, so that's why me I walk on the road and I watch.
You waste time. Come and go show where girl live.
Come.
Yes.
Over there. Stick here.
Over there, so.
Where she there? Where them there? Where them there?
Over here, so.
Me warn him, you know. Me warn the dirty dog.
Yes, call me.
Come on, grab one of your dirty girl. Come out on this.
Watch it, Tuna.
Yeah.
Watch it, Tuna.
Where are them stay on?
Sister
Yan.
no.
Me a give you a chance.
Hello, Mrs. Come outside.
Go.
Hello. What a woman
Sister
name?
Yan, bring out
What
your
a woman
sister.
name?
You don't know already.
What a woman
Job
name?
one.
Yes, mistress, come here.
Me did warn you, you know.
Warn me say what? You see
See, mistress, the way give money.
Oh.
Nice.
So this how you broke down boss?
Yes.
Ask you one question.
This how you broke down boss?
Can your mother come to pick me up?
Hey girl,
Man, I'm the father man.
Hey, where you grab my daughter for? Where you grab my daughter for? Hey girl, go rent me now. Son, let me give you money. Hey girl, you grab my man. Next, you with me? Shut up. Me, you take up less stuff. Big boy, you know the one. Alone. Left me down, alone, girl. Hey, girl, let me take you to come now.
Let me
No one, you know. No, grab it out.
Go on, left. Go on.
Come. Me now go push you. Last time. What?
I'm gonna leave that shop on you, you know. Chop.
You see me want you make you come in me and come meet me come up here. Come up here, some man. You see, you see your name give bone.
I can't get no bone.
So you come in me and come meet me.
You want me and can't get me, babe.
Eh?
It's so much money.
You think no girl ever beat me, you know? I make a girl beat me. I like a shot girl beat me.
Chop him here.
Go round. Go round. Go round. Go round. Go round, man.
What, mighty people, what? You get to the end of the movie, let Kanan know what you think and what you like best about it. Come and know, so the movie shot it bad. So as Kanan did say at the beginning, tell a friend for tell a friend for tell a friend and make Kayla Films name gone abroad. Peace out.